Hello everyone, it's just us from Ask Chef channel, and the summer is coming, and the summer is the season when we don't have much time to cook and especially to wash the dishes. So what we can do, we can cook a tasty stew just in one pot, and we put there a lot of tasty things like tomatoes, we'll put there sausages, we'll put there white beans, put there a lot of vegetables, a bit of red wine, and a lot of love to make it really tasty. Are you intrigued? Let's go and start cooking. First, prepare the vegetables. Cut one onion in half and finely slice. Remove the core from 2 cloves of garlic and finely slice as well. In parallel, warm up the stew pan, drizzle with vegetable oil. Cut a couple of bell peppers in half. Remove seeds and membranes. It is convenient to do this with a spoon or knife. When the oil has warmed up in the saucepan, begin to sauté the onions. First, cut the peppers into strips, then into cubes. Add garlic to the fried onions, stir. Next, we add 2 carrots cut in julienne. If you want to know more about how to cut vegetables correctly, follow the link at the top of the screen. Continue sautéing vegetables. Add sweet peppers. Cook until the vegetables are softer, then set them aside. Cut sausages into 5 parts each and sear it in the same stew pan in vegetable oil. You can tie 2 twigs of thyme together with kitchen rope so that later it would be easier to remove it and add it to the stew pan. Finally, mince a bunch of parsley. When sausages are well seared from all sides, pour in the red wine and let it reduce by half. Then put the vegetables back into the stew pan and stir. And add canned tomatoes. Add white beans. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until all ingredients are tender. At the end, season with salt, black pepper, add hot paprika to taste, a bay leaf, cover with a lid or foil and let it brew and infuse over a low heat for 20 minutes. After that, remove the thyme and bay leaf, add the chopped parsley, stir, check if there is enough salt, and it's done. Put the ragu into deep plates, and decorate with herbs. Bon appetit! Don't forget to share your opinion about the recipe by liking the video and leaving a comment. Until next time, bye bye.